Okay, so great question. Let's talk about the difference between wood sorrel and buttercup. Okay, so wood sorrel is what I made the video on. It is delicious and edible and super tasty and sour. This is kind of the breakdown. You have a little hair that runs down the line of the stem. You have the yellow flower, and then you have the little seed pods that are also edible and sour. Here's another up close, and you can see how the leaves are similar to shamrock leaves. Now, this is buttercup. You see how the leaves, they do have the little yellow flower, but the leaves are very, very different, and the seed pods are different. This is what buttercup looks like. The petals are shinier than wood sorrel petals. And this is what the wood sorrel looks like. You can see the little seed pod. It looks like a tiny little okra. And then the flowers are the little yellow flowers. They have a very different inside than the buttercup flower. Here's a close-up of a buttercup flower so you can see the inside and how it has all the frills. And here's a close-up of the wood sorrel flower. I also had someone ask if the wood sorrel has purple flowers, and yes, some of them do. They are also edible. But let's get back to this buttercup. This plant is not edible raw, but it has been used in centuries past as a yellow dye and an edible if it's cooked down. It, like most other wild edibles that have to be cooked first, have medicinal qualities to it. But like any other plant, I would suggest researching it further before you make the decision to harvest it and use it in your food or medicinally. Let me know if you have any more questions.